Hi, in this video we're going to see how to add notifications to Google Calendar events. It's a simple process. As you can see, I've got my calendar open in front of me. So let's say that I want to be notified about this project meeting, which is going to take place from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. on the 18th of March, which is a Thursday. So I would just double click on this box, and here the meeting details appear in front of me, the timings and the colors, even the guest list if I have one. So now if I want to add any notifications, I just go over to this bell icon and click on add notification. Here I've got this appearing in front of me, and I could just type in any number. So like, let's say I want to be notified 30 minutes before this event starts, so I just type in 30. I could add more than one notification. Let's say I want to be reminded about this, say 2 hours before it starts. So there you go. I just type in 2, it becomes 2 hours. And I could add more times I'd like to be notified, say a whole day before it starts. I'll have sufficient time to prepare for it then. And once this is done, I will just click on save. The event details would be updated. Now if I just click here, I could see that yes, I would be notified about these. I would receive these notifications on my phone. And let's say that we want to delete a particular notification. We just double click on it, and here click on this cross, and there you go, all these notifications have been deleted. It is also possible to be notified via email. In that case, you just click on add notification, and here where you could see this notification written, you just click on this little arrow. You'll see a little drop down, select email, and you could of course select any time you like, 20 minutes say, and just click on save. And now you would receive an email 20 minutes before this starts. Here a single click show 20 minutes before as email. So this is another way you could be notified about that event. So this is how you can add notifications to your events and be notified about when they start.